All right, I'm a little nervous about this part, not gonna lie. As long as it doesn't tip, we'll be all right. Okay, actually not too bad. We'll see how much that can gets us. We got 2 gallons of this stuff, so hopefully that, oh my God. All right, I've got 2 smaller pieces. We're gonna start here. We actually did a little bit of paint on them. They're gonna be shelves on this wall. That paint, a little bit of paint's gonna pop. So we'll start with these to just kind of test things out before we do our big wall panels. I'm gonna make sure we get the edges. Cool, I think we can move on to our wall panels.